Okay, so we're nearly there now. So D part 2. Calculate the concentration of ethanoic acid in the original vinegar as a percentage weight per volume. Okay, so when we come to this question again, what we want to do is we want to figure out the knowns. What do I know here? Well, the first thing I know is when I see weight per volume, I'm thinking grams per 100 centimeters cubed. That is something that we learn and we need to remember. When we see weight per volume, we're thinking grams per centimeters cubed. Okay, so that is the first thing we need to know. Or we already know, because that's in our minds, we've learned that one. Okay, the second thing that we already know is I know that I have 0.8 moles per litre of my ethanoic acid. Okay, so we figured out that in part 1 of this question. So I have 0.8 moles of this. The last known I have then is I know when I'm given moles how I can calculate grams. Okay, that's something again in our memory that we should know. So we should know that if I have moles and I want to go to grams, we must multiply by the molecular mass. So moles, 2 grams, multiplied by MR, or molecular mass. Okay. Last thing that we know here then is the MR, or relative molecular mass, of our CH3COOH is 12 plus 3 ones. So 12 plus 3 is 15, plus 12 is 27. And then we have 16 and 16 is 32, 33, 27 and 33 is 60. Okay, so our molecular mass is 60 grams per mole. You don't even need to add that in, okay, but it is 60. Using all of that information then we can answer our question. Okay, so I'm going to actually do my calculation here. Calculation. There we go, been a long week. So calculation then, what do we have to do? So again, first thing I want to do then is I want to find out my number of grams. Okay, so the number of grams, what do I have to do here? I know I have to multiply so to go from moles to grams, I need to multiply my moles by my molecular mass. So I have 0.8 multiplied by my molecular mass, which is 60. Okay, now I can write in moles here and grams per mole there, but you know where I'm getting that information hopefully. Okay, so that is my 0.8 multiplied by my 60. That gave us 48, I think it was today, 48. Okay, so I now know that I have 48 grams per litre. Again, this was coming from my moles per litre. I'm just after changing that to grams. Okay, so I have 48 grams per litre. Fabulous. Now, is that what I want? No. Okay, I'm going to change this and say that this is 1000 centimetres cubed again. Okay, very scribbly there, but that is 1000 centimetres cubed is the same as saying 1 litre. I don't want this in 1000 centimetres cubed. I want this in 100 centimetres cubed for my weight per volume. So what do I have to do to this side? I divide by 10. If I divide that side by 10, I must do the same here. Okay, so that means I divide my 48 by 10, which gives me 4.8 grams per 100 centimetres cubed. Okay, so 4.8 grams per 100 centimetres cubed is the very same as saying 4.8% weight per volume. Okay, and that gives you your final answer there. Let's check percentage weight per volume, percentage weight per volume. Done. I hope that was helpful, and again, if you have any questions, please do just let me know or have a chat to me in class whenever suits.